What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you an amazing news that another Congress member just joined our community. And then I will show you the news that is not so good for us and for our case. And at the end of this video I will share some updates from Richard Hoffman and Mark Pasil. And before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. So, let's start with this news. Due Diligence 11 hours ago wrote this tweet. MMTLP, breaking news. Congresswoman Norma J. Torres, Democrat, California, has joined our case and sent a letter to FINRA and SEC demanding a timeline for resolution. This letter is the result of countless hours of persistent work by Laker J and myself. I want to thank him for trusting me to help with this and for all of his efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, let each victory, no matter the size, fuel the flames of our determination. We must continue the fight. And let me show you this letter in details. As you can see, it was written on August 21st to Honorable Gary Gensler and Congressman Robert W. Cook. And let me quote it for you. Dear Chairman Gensler and President Cook, I write regarding an issue brought to my attention by my constituents concerning a corporate action taken by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. This action was taken on Metamaterials' Series A preferred shares that traded under the symbol MMTLP. I've received correspondence from my constituents that have expressed their concerns over the holding and status of their shares. I understand the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and FINRA are charged with protecting investors and the public interest by mitigating market instability. Given the financial distress several of my constituents have suffered as a result of the regulatory actions of FINRA to halt trading of MMTLP on December the 8th, several days before the announced deletion of the MMTLP symbol slated for December 13, 2022. I wrote to express the concerns of my affected constituents. In response to these concerns, I request the following. And I have to say that this is the most important part and I like it very much. So, 1. A briefing by the SEC and FINRA for my staff, whichever agency is the best equipped to discuss matters regarding the trading halt for MMTLP. And 2. An affirmation that SEC and or FINRA acted within their regulatory authority and operated under standard practices by issuing the trading halt. And 3. A written response about what my constituents can expect to occur with regard to their current holdings and under what timeline would such a resolution take place. My constituents are deeply concerned about why this action was taken and the future state of their investment. As such, I kindly request your swift response and look forward to your response on this urgent matter. Sincerely, Norma J. Torres, Member of Congress. So, it is the most, in my opinion, it is the most precise letter with the very straightforward request. And I have to say that definitely we are about to see something big. Because for now, there is, I think there's about 21 Congress members who signed different letters regarding our issue. And guys, let me remind you that I think it is the first time ever that this type of problem that happened on the stock market attract so much attention from the Congress members and from the authorities as well. Definitely everybody, for now I have to say that everybody is aware of this situation. And for now they are just waiting for the proper time in order to step into this case. And in my opinion, this is very important and it is really mind-blowing news. So let me show you further another news, and for now we are on MMTLPresources.com, and this news was published just several hours ago. SEC in lockstep with FINRA. It's been over 8 months since MMTLP was halted. Have we swayed the opinion of the SEC? Short answer, no. Community member Hollywood Henry received a surprise email from the SEC he shared on Twitter. And he wrote, "Out the blue, I received an email from the SEC. They continue to cite the FINRA FAQ on MMTLP as gospel and that questions regarding the U3 halt were answered. The SEC continues to absolve themselves about Gary Gensler as if FINRA is inculpable. We know, you know, we know." And he added this screenshot. Let me show you this in details. "Dear investors, thank you for contacting the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC's Office of Investor Education and Advocacy processes many comments from individual investors and others. We keep records of the correspondence we receive in a searchable database that SEC staff may make use of in inspections, examinations, and investigations. In addition, some of the correspondence we receive is referred to other SEC offices and divisions for their review. If they have any questions or wish to respond directly to your comments, they will contact you. Please know that securities exchanges and self-regulatory organizations, not the SEC, determine whether to impose a trading halt in a stock. Please see this link for more information." And this is a link on investor.gov website, trading halts and delays. So, next one. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority has posted on its website information about the trading halt it imposed on metamaterials. The FINRA FAQ about the MMTLP trading halt is available at this link. So, I have to say that it is not the best news, and definitely this is some kind of generic question that SEC doesn't want to pay enough attention to this problem, and they try to kick this can down the road as long as possible. And let me quote you further this news. "The brief unpersonalized letter once again highlights the FINRA FAQs, a series of once-changing questions and answers FINRA put out in March after the MMTLP pressure campaign was in full swing. The SEC is basically passing the buck to FINRA and saying that this matter is closed, and here is the FAQs to prove it. This is why we need Congress to do a complete investigation. Any person, company, or SRO can easily put out a web page and call it FAQs. But this does not mean it's truth. Crimes are usually covered up. We rely on our ever-growing list of congressional representatives to help lead a fair and impartial investigation to get to the bottom of this. Hint, this means testimony under oath. And I have to say that, yes, I think this is not the best letter that we can wait. And this is not the best answer from SEC regarding our case. But in general, I have to say that with the help of the Congress members, definitely we will win this battle. So let me show you further information. Richard Hoffman made an update. He published this tweet just several hours ago, and he wrote, "Fidelity Arbitration today filed a request that prior to selecting arbiters that in light of Fidelity calling claims of naked shorting Looney and attaching an article that all potential arbiters disclose their position regarding naked shorting and counterfeiting of shares. We'll keep you updated." And yesterday I made a video regarding this live stream that was published on Richard's YouTube channel, Not Legal Advice, KNOT. And there Richard and Little JR explained a lot regarding the MMTLP case, and Richard explained a lot regarding his fight. And he is in the process of fight from 3 different sides. He is in the process of litigation with FINRA. He is in the process of arbitration with Fidelity, and he is asking AST to release the share count. I think you should subscribe to his YouTube channel and follow his Twitter account in order to stay in line with all these news. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this